Alright, what's going on everybody? It is Mr. Halfro here on Twitch. This is my first Fortnite gameplay that I'm posting on YouTube. I've been playing Fortnite on my Twitch channel for a few weeks now and I'm having a blast. This is a nice little win that I got with my cousin. We were out here doing some duos, man. It's a ton of fun. I really do hope that y'all enjoy this gameplay. And also, by the way, check out my Twitch channel. I'm going to link it in the description below. And please, please, please hit me up with a follow on that Twitch channel. It's a little heart symbol that is above my page. I'd really appreciate it. It's really going to help your brother out. I hope y'all have a great day and enjoy the gameplay. I will see y'all in a little bit. Peace. Let's say like you try and throw it under someone's current building. Is it going to destroy their building to make room for it?
I don't know. It might not. It might make it to where you just can't throw it if it's
Probably.
like already there.
I'm going burger because there are 3 duos here.
Alright, cool. I shall drop burgers.
Got it.
Nothing in here.
That's
You know what? Is that a chest? Thank you, Mr. Chest. And you gave me a minigun. Wow. Thanks, Grandma.
Oh, you already got that chest in there?
Yeah. Minigun. Woohoo!
I hear another one.
Oh, did you get that gnome?
Oh, there's a llama up here. What?
Huh? It's on the roof?
Yeah.
And I
I'm
didn't
getting
see
it right
it?
now.
Oh god, I didn't even see
Oh
it.
my gosh. It's just up, dude.
There's wood everywhere.
Here, I got a mini for you. Oh, and I have a full pot for you as well. He gave us a jump pad, which is nice.
Hola.
I don't have an AR. I got a pump and
I have a minigun.
that'll work.
Will it though? Will it really?
Yes. Never mind, I got an AR.
I gotta start shooting before they even come around the corner if I want to do something to do.
Yeah, you do.
Is that you breaking stuff?
Yeah.
Yes. AR? Thank you very much.
What am I doing? Oh, someone building up on us right now?
They're on top of us?
Got him. He is instant.
Eh.
I feel like there's another one. I don't know. Okay, that was you.
Oh, the cops! Oh, Jesus Christ.
I was gonna go to class, but then I could've cheated and I could've passed, but I got.
I ate some bugs and I ate some grass.
I use my hands to wipe my tears, to kiss your mouth, I lick my bow. No, 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 wait, Jose. But if you want to, then we break our vows together. There's minis up in this Dick's Sporting Goods if you want to hold them.
Alright. Is that really what this place is called?
Yeah. The one that looks like Dick's Sporting Goods?
Oh, Dick's like the actual like place?
Yeah.
It says that in here? Where does it say
No,
that?
but that's what people call it.
Oh, that's just what people. Oh, alright. I was like,
He's like, what do you mean?
I thought you meant like it was like for real called Dick's Sporting Goods.
Nah, man.
They making money off of this. Get your money.
Well, they will be making some money off of it too, that's for sure. I could have cheated and I could have passed, but I got. I got a jump pad for us if we're too far away.
So you got what?
A jump pad for us if we're too far away.
Cool. We ain't that far.
Dang, there's a full shield on me. Full shield on me.
Alright.
Got to break that little buddy.
Just drop that little
Did you slurp it up or what?
Huh?
Did you slurp it up or what?
I was just holding it. I mean I can if I need to.
Alright, just saying. That gives you a little bit more health.
Alright. I'm a little thirsty, I'm a little parched.
Oh, they're shooting east, southeast by Shifty.
Shifty shafts.
People just died here, I know that much.
Oh, they was doing a lot. Who was a lot of loot down there?
Yeah. Someone's still down there though, that's for sure.
They probably in the house.
Yep, they are.
Yep, I see somebody. Oh. Am I right? Came out. Oh yeah!
Nice.
Is what I am. Carnacia.
Carnacia. Oh, another jump pad. Let's get it.
There's a blue bar right there.
Oh, I'm good. Dang, someone built way up on that cat.
Yeah. It's probably the people they killed.
Are you good on mats?
Yeah, I'm good. I got 249 wood.
Okay. Hold up here.
Thank you, Mr. Man.
You think I missed that, man. The storm gets close, I'm just going to use this jump pad since we got two. This is my favorite setup, man. AR, pump, tac, sniper, rocket launcher.
Uh-huh. The essentials.
That is the basics of Wakanda.
The vibranium assault rifle.
People right in front of us here, east. Oh, dude, he is super low HP. You just touch him and he's dead.
Oh, he was standing right here.
Yeah. Like
he was just standing back here.
He was nervous, man.
Oh no, I'm shaking in my boots. Do you want this med kit?
No, I got a chug.
Alright, I'll just hold on to the band-aids then, I guess. No, I won't.
Yeah, make it over band-aids all day.
I can't believe he was for just sitting there, standing still.
Yeah, you know,
you knew around here
what was going on. My dude was nervous.
Out here in these streets, all alone. Never been to this side of the track before.
Oh, people right in front of us?
I assume that's you shooting?
Yep.
I didn't see how much damage though. But
oh, dude, he is. He's dead?
Yeah. Murder! Ooh. I'll take that.
Alright. Let's get it, baby. Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby, we live.
We live. Jeremy, I'm gonna win, dude. Don't worry, man. We're gonna get this W.
Big Shamu poops in the chat. There's a chest up there.
Yeah.
I'll watch your back.
Dang, I can't hold. There's a shield pot if you want it, but
Alright.
you might as well eat the one you got now and take the other one.
Did the big one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll just take it. Cause I took that other one.
You sent me a meme? Okay, I'll look at it, man. I will look at it in a second.
Big meme.
Big memes. Big memes out here. Oh, southwest.
Southwest. Behind the tree. Oh, I see him.
Dang, barely missed them. They're going up into this house right now?
Uh-huh.
They're outside a circle. I'm just gonna stay back here, make them push us.
Oh, they're shooting.
Yep.
They're pushing left. Or at least one of them is. He's probably like under. Oh, he's pushing. Oh, alright. Oh, what am I doing? Oh,
Knocked him. He's down. Oh, nice job, boy. Good stuff, man.
I have to heal.
Oh, another team.
Alright. Behind us?
Where they were coming from.
Alright. Oh!
Oh, I can't hit this kid.
Where are they? Oh, hello.
He's knocked.
You made my street.
Okay, I gotta get. Oh gosh, dude, I gotta run. I have no health.
We gotta go.
I'll take this chug jug once we get in the circle, but I gotta go. Dude, I have 3 HP. Oh wow.
Oh, I see you little boy.
Yeah,
I see
man.
you, boy. Who would throw down on these trees? Oh
Right?
my god.
Watch that team though. Oh, they're pushing. They're up above.
Oh god, okay. Jump ahead. Come at me. I'm gonna build, yep.
I'm gonna try and take this chug. Stay alive if you can.
I'm trying to set myself. I have 1 health. If I apply this med kit, I will be very lucky.
Okay, another team's shooting at him, so we should be good to heal up.
Alright. There's no tree. Yep. Oh, they're dead. What did you hit me with? Oh my god! He's good enough. He's above you. Behind you. He's down there. He's in there.
Oh wow, I messed that up real bad.
He's still in the same spot.
Just gonna go get you real quick.
Oh, he's shooting. Okay. He's coming.
Got him.
Ooh, that boy good!
Oh, I'm trying to revive him. Sorry. Peter said all the time you watch this game, you better win. I better win. I know. That boy was good. All right. I have no meds for you.
I got a shield.
Okay. Well, we gotta get out of this storm real quick.
Oh, there's a jump pad down here.
All right. We can take this jump pad to get out of here.
You got one too?
Yeah, I got one.
Alright.
Oh, right on us.
What? Oh, alright. Alright, never mind. I think it's. Oh, he's not. Well, stay on him. Alright. I don't know where his teammate is, but I'm gonna get you going.
All right. Here. Come on. Come back just a second.
You doing it?
Yeah. Alright, we better win this game after what we are out here doing.
Don't let nobody shoot it down, Jesus. Please.
Alright, let's go. Oh, there's a guy right below us, north, right below us. He got to push to us, though.
He's stuck inside the storm. And I have 2 jump pads if you need them.
Got him, he's dead. I got another jump pad as well. Alright, man. 2 more duos left.
Alright, I think the dude's still behind us, sir. Is he dead?
I do
Did
not
the dude
know.
that was behind us die?
Yeah, I killed him.
Oh, you landed and shot him?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, this is the same ending that we had last time. Right, same circle.
This is some small shit, so I'm gonna go get him real quick.
Yeah. That came from northeast.
Alright. I don't see any heals over here, so oh, I don't.
Alright, kill that guy. Alright, there's us and one more people. We're the last people here.
Did he have anything to heal with?
He had a campfire and medkit.
Coolio.
And small shields. Perfect.
Cool. Wait for me.
You can edit the wall if you want to.
Close the door. Close the door. Close the door.
Ah!
Okay. Oh, there's 2 medkits, by the way. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Why was it was on the medkit and it made me shoot?
Alright, man. We got this, dude.
Big dubs, big dubs.
You wanna take that rocket launcher and we can just rocket these clowns?
Rocket.
Alright, I don't know where they at.
They're probably inside of Wayland somewhere. Hopefully they aren't. Or they're on the other side of this place.
Yep.
Was that brick fort right there earlier? Up on the hill?
I don't know, to be honest with you. But let's go up and find out.
You don't know now, but you gonna find out. Okay.
No one's in it? Well, we're in circle here if you want to just build up, I guess. Might just stay here and chill.
Alright.
They're probably in factory, to be honest with you. Oh, that came from northwest.
Northwest?
Pretty sure, yeah. Oh, I see him. They're moving. They're running down.
Oh, I see him. What nigga? They have to do that right up.
Knocked one.
Alright. Where is he? Yeah. No, come on. Where'd he go? Oh, that was you. How much I turned?
Got him. Let's go, baby. Hey, 11 kill game. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby.
Jesus Christ.
Let's go.
Alright.
Hey.
Alright.